Okay, if you're looking at this video, then you probably know about Core Web Vitals. I'm not going to go in to explain it. If you don't know about Core Web Vitals, I encourage you to look it up. So in a nutshell, Google decided to reward fast websites and penalize slow ones. That's in a nutshell. So let's see what we can do about that. So the way Google is judging the speed of websites is by mobile only. See, there's a reading for mobile here. They're not counting desktop. Interesting enough, I put in Google's own page that judges Pagespeed, and it says it doesn't pass Core Web Vitals assessment. So it's pretty hard to get it to pass, okay? So I'm going to show you some WordPress sites we did that totally pass Core Web Vitals. They're always in the green for mobile. And I actually did the impossible and got 100 for mobile and 100 for desktop. Okay, here's the fastest site we've developed to date. And it's 100 for mobile and 100 for desktop, which is almost impossible to do. I'll just click, you might have to click Analyze twice to get this. And what's inside? Okay, this is what the site looks like. Here's what it looks like on the inside. There's your installed plugins. Here's an industrial site we did. And this one is, it shows a lot of product that you can actually search for. It's all dynamically produced as far as the products go. 97 for mobile, 99 for desktop. Okay, here's Ashcroft window coverings. It's a very graphic intensive site. It has a thumbnail for YouTube. And this is what it looks like on mobile. And 99 for mobile and 99 for desktop. Okay, here's an example of your common garden variety WordPress site. This is a usual speed. It's usually in the red for mobile. And sometimes the orange, maybe even green for desktop, but that doesn't count. So what's up with this? Okay, here's some things we can't do. Here's the site itself, and you'll notice that this has got a video in it. A video will slow it right down. We can't do any sort of animation, including sliders or whatever. This has got all sorts of animation in it. And we don't need lazy loading, even though this does have lazy loading. And we can't do WooCommerce or Shopify. We can't work with that, any sort of e-commerce sites. However, what you can do is you can do what these guys have done here. So they're using a third-party shop, which is fine. That'll work as long as it's not on your site. So let's take a look. How did they try to speed it up? Well, they tried to use WP Rocket, which was useless. All right, let's take a look at the inside. It doesn't matter what caching program you use to try to speed up your current site. It's not going to get your mobile in the green. I don't care what you do. We've tried everything. So let's look at the plugins here. We did try W3 Total Cache. We've got WP Rocket running on there. And nothing like that works. It doesn't matter what you use. So the only solution is the solution that we came up with, and that's basically redoing the site in a different way. Also, running it through Cloudflare doesn't work, and this demo site happens to be on a high-speed server, which would ordinarily help, but in this case it's too bogged down. And this site's running Divi, which is a pretty heavily laden theme with a lot of JavaScript in it. You're not going to be able to speed up Divi, even though they say they can speed it up. They're really only speeding up the desktop. They're not mentioning mobile because you can't do it on mobile. So we do have the solution, and if you're watching this on YouTube, there's a link in the description you can click to go there. And if you're watching this on the site where this is playing embedded, just fill in the form. Just enter your URL and your name and your email. And we're not going to spam you or anything. As a matter of fact, we will do a demo of your site just to show you how fast it is and what it would look like at no charge. And if you want to go ahead, then we'll give you a quote. Plus, you'll get the software to do it and everything. We'll teach you how to do it. We'll do one-on-one Skype session with you. And you'll be a pro, and then you can go do this for other people. That's our offer, but just fill in the form and we'll let you know. Okay? Thank you.